Want to get the coveted blue verification tick on your Telegram account? Today, I'll walk you through the full process to request and potentially receive Telegram's official blue tick, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly how to maximize your chances and avoid the most common pitfalls that cause applications to be rejected. Let's jump right in. First things first, your account needs to be genuinely active and publish original content. Telegram only verifies channels, groups, or bots that aren't dormant and that fully follow Telegram's terms of service. So make sure your channel is bustling with recent posts or your bot is frequently used and that you're keeping things above board. This isn't just a box to tick, real activity shows Telegram you're contributing something meaningful, and rule compliance means you're safe for their blue tick badge. Now, while you can apply for verification on mobile, I recommend the Telegram desktop app for this process. It's a little more straightforward, and the interface makes it easier to manage all the steps and copy-paste necessary links. Before you start the actual application, there's a crucial setup step. You need to prepare your linked accounts. Telegram wants to see cross-verification, so make sure your main social media profiles like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, or your official website have a visible hyperlink leading right to your Telegram channel, group, or bot. For example, you could add something like "Join us on Telegram," TME your channel name in the bio section of your social accounts, or a sidebar on your website. This helps Telegram verify your identity and legitimacy, a bit like an online version of showing multiple forms of ID. Once all your links are squared away, open the Telegram desktop app and use the search bar at the top to look up at VerifyBot. This is the official verification bot, so double-check that you're opening the correct one and not a lookalike. When you open at VerifyBot, you'll see a brief intro and a button to start the application process. Either type or click the Start button to kick things off. Don't worry, the bot will guide you through each step, so just follow the prompts as you go. At this point, you'll be asked for specific information. Pause here if you need to. Accuracy is really important. You'll need the exact username of the channel, group, or bot you want verified. Next, submit links to 2 of your social media profiles that have already been verified, so accounts that display a blue tick or other verification badge on those platforms. If you have any press articles or an official website that confirms your notability, this is your chance to show them off. These extra links are optional, but including them can really strengthen your application, especially if you're well-known or represent a brand. Once everything is submitted, Telegram's team will now manually review your application. This part can take a bit, anywhere from a few days to 2 weeks, sometimes a bit longer. Don't worry if you don't get an immediate response. You can check back with at VerifyBot for updates, and they'll notify you right in the bot if your application is approved. If you don't see the blue tick after a couple of weeks, it's likely the request wasn't accepted this time. If that happens, review your details and consider applying again after boosting your presence and updating your blog or socials. And that's the full process for requesting blue tick verification on Telegram. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button and drop any questions or experiences down in the comments. I always love hearing your stories and helping out where I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and tricks like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Telegram verification journey.